Wonders, they say, shall never end. That has become the case of the Nigerian judiciary. Some days ago, a judgment was passed in Kano where the appeal court decided that the election of the governor of Kano State, who is of the NNPP, was annulled. But the video I want to show you now will actually shock you when you listen to what the person will tell you. In fact, I don't know what is happening anymore. They asked for the certified true copy of the judgment, and this was given to them yesterday. But it was discovered that what was written, that is, the written judgment, was different from the pronouncement made by the judges in unison. See, I am not the one saying this. I want you to just watch this video and tell me what exactly is happening in this country. So you see why there is protest in Kano. Of course, I have said it. We cannot sit down and watch these people make a complete mess of this country. Just look at the video, please.
Ladies and gentlemen of the press, to our greatest surprise, the CTC showed that the judgment delivered by Honorable Justice Moore Asemo Abraham Adume, JCA, and concurred to by Honorable Justice Bitros Yarazama, JCA, and Honorable Justice Latif Adebayo Ganiu, JCA, is actually in favor of our candidate, the Governor of Kano State, Engineer Abba Kabir Yusuf. The speech we are giving to the pressmen, we have attached the page where this thing was clearly and boldly written and signed by the presiding judge and the registrar. At page 67 of the extant judgment, in its conclusive findings, held inter alia, 1, this is the submission of the justice who read the judgment. In the circumstances, I resolve all the issues in favor of the appellant, and who is the appellant in this case? Engineer Yusuf Abba Kabir. And the judgment went further, that the judgment of the tribunal in petition number EPT/KN/gov/01/2/2023 between the All Progressive Congress APC versus INEC and 2 others, delivered on the 28th day of September 2023, is hereby set aside. That is the Court of Appeal in their conclusive finding. The judgment went further. The sum of 1 million naira only is hereby awarded at costs in favor of the appellant. And who is the appellant in this case? Our Governor, Engineer Abba Kabir Yusuf, and against the first respondent, which is APC. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, this is the complex situation we are as a political party, and our candidates have found ourselves. If at the point of delivering the judgment,
so what happened?
There was a pronouncement that our appeal failed, but the CTC of the same judgment, in its conclusive findings, actually resolved all the issues in our favor, and even awarded costs in our favor against the APC. This definitely is a lead. We are an interested party. We own the platform on which Engineer Abba Kabir Yusuf ran for the election and was declared the winner.
How long we are going to
we are therefore calling on the National Judicial Council (NJC) to, without delay, commence investigation to unravel what happened in this matter.
It's not evil.
Also, we are calling on eminent members of the bench, both retired and serving, and the bar, to be interested in what happened, that we have the kind of scenario presented in the CTC of the judgment of the Court of Appeal. In addition, we called on leaders, elders, and other major stakeholders in the Nigerian project, including the media, to step into this matter to avert the danger this type of signal from the judiciary portends for our democracy in particular and our country in general. From the scenario presented by the judgment above, it is crystal clear that something is wrong somewhere, and the onus is on all of us as Nigerians to unearth the riddle. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, for emphasis, this is not just a mistake that can merely be corrected by the Court of Appeal, as it does not fall within the ambit of the sleep rule, where a court can recall the document and correct an error. Such errors must be so obvious that their correction cannot generate any controversy regarding the judgment or decision of the court. By the same token, such errors must be of such nature that their correction will not change the substance of the judgment or alter the clear intention of the court.
Happen in our country.
It is clear to us that the only conclusion that can be drawn from this judicial debacle is that the average reasonable person can only conclude that the Court of Appeal changed the judgment after they had concluded deliberations on the matter,
very late,
and then mistakenly left the original conclusion during the cutting and pasting process. Whilst our legal team proceeds to lodge our appeal with the Supreme Court, we once again call for a thorough investigation of this debacle by the National Judicial Council, and if need be, for the appointment by the NJC of an independent investigator to carry out the task.